Hey, if you want to attach straps into your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, first of all, let's start, for example, with this one. So we have to rotate our watch like this to get the sensor with this side. And now on the strap, we have to click and hold on this button because it's actually hiding these pins. Take a look. When you hide them, you can actually input the strap. So click and hold, then try to put the left side right here, like this. And now if you try to do this with the second part of the strap, you actually cannot do this. So we have to actually go above, like this. Take a look. There we go. And the same for this one. So click and hold the button first, put into the left side for sure, and the right side just go over this part and release. If it doesn't work, just try to correct. And now we are inside. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.